Hi, this is Arun Agarwal. I track the auto sector here at Kotak PCG. Today I'll take you through our expectation of the upcoming budget for the automotive sector. If you look at the current situation, the automotive sector has seen some kind of volume slowdown in FY12. The volumes year to date in this particular financial year stands at almost close to 13% as against some 25% volume growth what we saw over the last couple of years. Now, one of the some of the major reasons for slowing volumes includes slowdown in the overall economy, increase in interest rates, and rise in petrol prices. If you look at the budget announced last year, we did not actually see any major positive announcement by the finance minister, and accordingly, we are not very hopeful for any major positive announcement from the finance ministry in this upcoming budget. On the contrary, we are expecting a couple of negative announcements which could have some kind of impact on the sector in the short to medium term. Firstly, we are expecting increase in the general excise duty rate from 10% to 12%, and basically this would have some kind of impact on the automotive sector. We expect the companies to pass on this price hikes directly to the customers, as the current operating margins really do not leave a lot of scope for them to absorb the same. Secondly, we are also expecting some additional levy of excise duty on diesel vehicles, diesel passenger vehicles. The reason we believe so is basically this would be a way for the government to get back the subsidy which these users enjoy on the subsidized vehicle. So net we do not see any, or we are not very hopeful of any positive announcement from the upcoming budget for the automotive sector.